for the final part of this assignment, you will create a color wheel using your color media. And for this color wheel, you may use only your blue, red, and yellow, the three primary colors. Okay, so our three primary colors, if you're using colored pencils, pastels, paints, whatever you bought, we start with red, yellow, and blue. Now here we're talking about subtractive color. In painting, in printing, the primaries are red, yellow, and blue. Of course, in additive colors, they would be red, green, and blue, but we're working with paints, with inks, and red, yellow, and blue. Red is also sometimes called magenta, and blue sometimes called cyan. So if you bought paints called magenta and cyan, that's fine too, even better. Our three primary colors will be used to mix to make our secondary colors. So when we combine red and yellow, the primaries, we get the secondary orange. Right? Red and blue, we get the secondary purple, also called violet. And blue and yellow, of course, makes green. So we have our primaries, red, yellow, and blue. And with these, you will create the secondary colors. And you're going to make a simple secondary color wheel. And there are many ways to do this. Let's look at some examples on the screen. So here we have a color wheel. Your wheel should be round. It's wheel. And again, you can use only the primary colors. You can use the color pencil, pastels, the paints, whatever, even crayons, whatever color materials you have with you, you can feel free to use. Have it in a circular format like this. Start with your primaries, red, yellow, blue, and then using your red color pencil with your yellow color pencil over, or your red crayon, and mix your yellow over. If you're mixing with pencils or crayons, give a little less pressure on that red because it's overbearing. The yellow's lighter. You'll need to press a little heavier with the yellow. If you're using paints, you can mix these on your palette first, or in your little cup first, and then apply them to your color wheel. But this is a secondary color wheel. It's your primaries that are used to mix your secondary colors. Okay, so you'll create the orange, the green, and the purple using the red, yellow, blue. I'm going to show you a couple other types of these wheels. It should be round, and please feel free to get creative with your color wheel. Do it in any manner you like. But the colors must be in the correct order. So you must have your red, yellow, blue separated by your orange, purple, green. These colors across the wheel are called complementary colors. And later when we talk about color theory, we'll discover more attributes of color and how these complements work. Let's look at a couple other color wheels. You could add other elements to your wheel, but make sure it has your basic colors. There's your secondary 6-color wheel there. And this example shows where the colors are overlapped. So now we have the yellow circle where it overlaps with the red circle, creates the orange. The red circle overlaps the blue, creates the purple. There the yellow and blue circle overlap, create the green. All three colors mixed equally will create the pure black on in the secondary, in the subtractive color wheels. Your primary and secondary colors create pure black. And so that is the color wheel assignment. So we have the contour line, the blind contour, the cross hatching, hatching. And then, of course, we have our cross contour or contour hatching assignment to create the mass, sculptural appearance of an object. We have the value scale, doing 10 steps from white to black. And then we have our secondary color wheel, making your secondary colors by mixing your primaries, all part of the assignment.